This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in a Human Rights Commission. Filing a human rights complaint can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step towards justice. First, ensure your situation falls under human rights violations, such as discrimination based on race, gender, or disability. Next, identify the correct commission, whether federal, state, or provincial, as jurisdictions vary. Finally, begin collecting all relevant documents and evidence to support your claim. When preparing your complaint, precision is key. Document every incident thoroughly, including exact dates, times, and locations. Be sure to name all individuals or organizations involved, providing contact details if you have them. Clearly articulate which human rights grounds were violated, such as discrimination in employment or housing. Finally, describe the impact of the violation on you and what resolution you are seeking from the Commission. Submitting your complaint requires careful attention to detail. Most commissions offer multiple submission methods, including online portals, mail, or in-person drop-offs. It is vital to meet the filing deadlines, which are typically strict, often requiring submission within 1 year of the last discriminatory act. Always retain copies of every document you submit. After submission, be ready for the Commission to contact you for further clarification or additional evidence. Once your complaint is filed, the Commission will first assess its jurisdiction and completeness. Many commissions offer mediation or conciliation as an initial step, aiming for a voluntary resolution between parties. If mediation is unsuccessful, an investigation will likely commence, involving interviews with all parties and gathering further evidence. Should the complaint remain unresolved, it may proceed to a tribunal hearing, where a decision will be made based on the presented facts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.